Hello and welcome to this first lecture on developing strong visualization skills in this course, data analysis and data analytics. So in this particular section, we will talk to you about how can you improve the data storytelling and communication. And we will talk about how can you create engaging and interactive dashboards using Power BI and Tableau. So before we talk about how to improve your data storytelling and communication, let's understand that creating engaging interactive dashboards using Power BI is one of the ways to develop strong visualization skills. Now, how can you do that? Let us take a look at it. So how to create engaging interactive dashboards using Power BI and Tableau? Any thoughts? Before we talk about that, before we look at the various steps that you can take, let us understand that interactive dashboards transform raw data into actionable insights. And how do they do that? They do that by providing engaging user-friendly visualizations, you know, that help businesses make data-driven decisions. Power BI and Tableau are the leading tools for creating dynamic dashboards with filters, drill downs, and AI-driven analytics. And in this lecture, we will talk about the importance of these dashboards, how to design effective dashboards in Power BI and Tableau, the best practices for visualization, and advanced interactive features, right? So let us take a look at that. So let's take a look at the first step. First, the importance and benefits of interactive dashboards. So why use interactive dashboards? What is the benefit of these dashboards? So there are a few benefits that we can straight away outline to you. One is that's data storytelling. With these dashboards, you can communicate insights effectively. Second, you can track KPIs and metrics instantly by using real-time analytics. Third, you can have user interactions by enabling drill downs and filtering. You can also get automated recommendations by using AI-driven insights, and you can handle large data sets efficiently through scalability. How would a sales manager use such interactive dashboards? So a sales manager could use the Power BI dashboards basically to track regional sales performance, allowing teams to filter data by region, products, and time period for better decision making. So that's how and that's why you should use interactive dashboards. The second step would be to design an effective dashboard. So let's understand first again that before building a dashboard, you need to define the objectives and choose the right KPIs to visualize. Now, what are the key questions you can ask to do that? So first is obviously who is the audience? And are these the executives? Are these the analysts or the marketing teams? Second would be what decisions will be made using this dashboards by these audience. And third would be what data points are most relevant. And fourth would be how should the data be structured for clarity. A marketing team may want to track campaign performance, and for them, the dashboard should include then website traffic rates, conversion rates, ad spends versus revenue. The third step would be to build dashboards in Power BI and Tableau, right? And for that, what you need to do is, you know, start by importing data, right? Use Excel, SQL, Google Analytics, Azure, or API connectors. Then you, after importing data, they clean the data with Power Query Editor. Then create visuals. And there you could use bar charts, line charts, maps, and KPI cards. Add slide search for easy filtering. Then enhance interactivity by using drill through pages for deeper insights. Enable AI powered insights like key influencers, QA visuals, Q&A visuals. And finally, publish and share by uploading to Power BI service for team access and embed in web apps or Microsoft Teams. So that's how you can use it in Power BI. In Tableau, what you do need again is by connecting to the data, and then you can do through using Excel, SQL, cloud databases, or live API feeds. Then you create worksheets by dragging and dropping fields into rows and columns, applying filters and parameters for user control. Then you design dashboards by combining multiple worksheets into a dashboard. And there you could use actions like filter, highlight, URL for interactivity. And finally, you are ready to share and embed that you can do by publishing to Tableau server or Tableau public and embedding dashboards in web portals and reports. How would a finance team use Tableau dashboard? They would use to first to track monthly revenue trends and will allow users to hover over charts to see detailed financial breakdowns. So that's how you can do the interactive dashboards in Tableau. Once having done that, let's look at the best practices for effective visualization as a step 4. Now, the first thing is to keep your visualization simple. Keep it simple. And in that, you need to avoid cluttered dashboards, too many labels, too many descriptions. Use colors wisely. Highlight key insights, avoid excessive colors. And choose the right chart type. Ensure mobile compatibility because more than half of the people be viewing your visualization on a mobile. And add context as bare minimum. Use titles, descriptions, and tooltips. Now, how could a supply chain dashboard look like? So, a supply chain dashboard could use color coded bar charts to highlight delayed shipments in red using the right colors, right? Making problem easy to identify at a glance. So, these are some of the best practices for effective visualization. The fifth step would be you could use advanced interactive features. Now, what are these interactive features that are advanced? First could be drill down and drill through, where you can click on the data points for deeper insights as you see here. You could use dynamic filters and slicers that allow your users to explore different views. You could also do AI-powered insights by using Power BI's Q&A visuals and Tableau's explain data. And you could use embedded analytics by integrating dashboards into business applications. A HR dashboard could be using drill-through functionality as an advanced features to analyze employee attrition by department, by location, and tenure. So let's summarize how to master interactive dashboards in Power BI and Tableau. So first that, your dashboard should tell a clear data story because it's all about finally the storytelling about the data to solve a business problem, right? Second, Power BI and Tableau should provide AI-driven analytics. Third would be to use interactivity that can improve decision making. And finally, you could use advanced features like drill down and real-time data boost that can help better usability. So what is next? So having looked at how to create engaging interactive dashboards, we can now look at how to use clear and simple storytelling to explain insight, right? So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on developing strong visualization skills. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.